Hello, my beautiful friends. It's Amanda here, and today we are doing a real life get ready with me. I was going to spend a little fun family day with my spouse and my kiddo, and I just wanted to show you what I really wear out in the wild, out in my real life. Of course, it always starts with SPF for me. So I'm using this e.l.f. Whoa Glow SPF 30 as sort of a glowy primer. I found that it works really, really well in conjunction with this Fenty Eavesdrop Stick Foundation, which can look a little bit too dry on my skin if I don't prep with a nice glowy base underneath. I just showed this foundation in my Sephora Friends and Family sale haul video, and I've been using it pretty much every day since then. And I've really gotten down the way to use this best for my dry, more mature skin. I do really like the coverage, and I often will wear this just on its own with no concealer. But today I'm going to put a little bit of concealer on because, similar to pairing the Fenty Stick Foundation with the glowy sunscreen underneath, I also find that this foundation finish really benefits from adding a radiant concealer on top. So I'm using the Tarte Shape Tape Radiant Concealer just in a couple little spots, not too much. I just want to even out my complexion a little bit and add just a little bit of glow to this look. By the way, I'm going to list all of the shades that I use down in the description box. I just don't want to put too much text over the screen because then it starts to cover up the actual application, which is what I want you to see, what I presume you want to see. So all of my shades will be listed down in the description box. I usually list my shades. If I ever forget, you can just ask me in the comments and I'll go and add them in. But I'm typically pretty good about that. If you're curious about which shades I'm using in a video or what I'm wearing on my nails or that kind of stuff, I typically list all of that in the description box for you. I'm also going to put some links to other reviews I've done for the products that you see me using if you want more information. For example, I just did a review video for these new Huda Glowish things, and I will link that down in the description for you as well if you want to see lip swatches, pricing info, that type of stuff. For this look that I'm wearing, I did decide to do just a little bit of powder because I plan on being out and about all day. We were going to go to the arcade and then go out for dinner. So I knew that I was going to be running around for several hours. I knew that I was going to be experiencing many different temperatures, super hot and humid summer weather outside, blasting, freezing cold air conditioning inside, and everything in between. So I really wanted something that was easy, kind of comfy, casual type of look, but I needed to make sure that it was going to stay on rain or shine, sweat or shivers, you know what I mean? I'm also going to show you my outfit later on in the video. I don't know particularly if anybody cares what I wear. I'm not an Instagram baddie. I'm not a fashionista, but I'm not a regular mom. I'm a cool mom. I think that I have a good balance of being current, being cute. I don't think I'm necessarily trendy. I'm definitely not a trend setter. I like to feel comfortable in my clothes. I think I'm one of the few elder millennials that is happy to see skinny jeans go, at least not be the only acceptable jeans to wear. I like wearing wide leg, 90s fit, boyfriend type of jeans just because I think they're more comfortable. So I may be alone. Other elder millennials, don't hate me. I think you should wear whatever you want, whatever feels good to you, whatever makes you feel happy and comfortable in your body, in your clothes, just go ahead and wear it. For me, I'm happy to see that everything I was wearing when I was in high school is back on trend now. I'm sure that it will all go away soon and I will be sad and trying to catch up once again. I also wanted to record my get ready with me today because I was wearing my Flora Story palette and it's been a while since I've done a Flora Story look for you. I use my Flora Story palette all the time, but I do tend to stick to the same few looks. So today I was experimenting because I feel like the shade Clover hasn't gotten enough love on my channel. So I really wanted to show a look that strongly featured this Clover shade. The palette is still available on the ODEN'S website. It's not in low stock, quote unquote, low stock territory yet, but I know there are less than 1,000 left. There are a few hundred Flora Story palettes remaining. Once the current stock is sold out, that will be when the palette is discontinued. There will not be another restock, but I'm so pleased with how long this collaboration palette was able to be available. I feel like we launched in February. It's now almost fall, so I do feel like it was made available for long enough that everybody who really wanted one was able to get one. I hope that's the case. I'm really just so pleased and proud with how this whole collaboration has turned out. I definitely want to try to sneak in a couple more tutorials with Flora Story, maybe pairing it with some other palettes to take it into a fall color scheme before it is officially sold out. Obviously, I love it because it's my creation. I'm trying to find a good balance between using it enough to give you lots of ideas and seeing it in action. But as much as I wear it in real life, I also don't want to just burn you out on seeing it over and over again. So hopefully we're finding a good balance there. I'm going to try to do a couple more videos. I really want to pair it with one of my favorite Fall-tastic palettes. So maybe we'll start getting some fall content and we'll do a Flora Story goes fall type of video. Now I'm going to show you what the starting point was. When you see me, just know this is literally what I was wearing all morning before I started getting ready. And 99% of the time, if you knocked on my door and I answered the door in my house, I am the sweatpants version, just chilling in my comfy clothes. So before I started my makeup, I switched over to the jeans and tank top. And then once I finished my makeup, I decided that I probably need a little sweater because I am always cold in restaurants. And because I live in a really hot place, restaurants are always extra blasting their AC. So I decided to layer up. Obviously, I can't wear this in the car or I'd be sweating through every item of clothing, but I did want to show you my full completed outfit for my day out with my cute little makeup and the green eyeshadow and the green tank top. I was comfy and I felt cute and put together, but it only took me like 30 total minutes to get ready. Let me know if you want to see more of this get ready with me outfit of the day type of content. I like making this. This is real life. This is very realistic to what I look. This is what I wore on a day out with my family. So I like showing that kind of stuff. It's not super perfectly curated, edited. This is just, the real me, a real get ready with me, a real outfit. And I like sharing this type of stuff with you so you can see what I'm actually using every day and what I'm living my life in. So let me know if you want to see more of this, what kind of events or outings would you be interested in seeing real life get ready with me type of content about. I always love to hear what you think about things too, so make sure you leave all your thoughts down in the comments below. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. And I love your face so much, and I will talk to you soon. Okay, I love your face. Bye.